To get started with OpenCV, you need to install the Anaconda first. So you can go to this website, click on this 64-bit graphical installer to download it. After downloading it, you can just double click the installer to start the installation process. Make sure you uninstall any existing Python before you start installing, because it will be conflict if you don't uninstall your existing Python first. So when you finish installing this, you can download environment. The environment will set up the environment ready to with all the libraries, OpenCV libraries, and other helper files which you can use for running your OpenCV programs. Then you should then you should reboot your computer and then click on this Open Anaconda PowerShell prompt, and then go to your folder which contains your OpenCV projects that you want to save. So you should go to your C drive. For me, it's my C drive over here. And over here, I've got my CV course window YML file. And what I need to do is run the command to install the environment by typing conda env create -f and the name of the environment file. So this environment file will download OpenCV and NumPy and all the other helper libraries which you need for OpenCV as well as machine learning. Everything you need is in this environment. I'll put this up in the description for you to download. And then after that, you can start your Jupyter lab from here as well. After you have done this command, the next command it will take some time to install that. Then you need to type conda activate Python course. Alright, so after you finish type conda activate, you can type the command Jupyter lab. The moment you type Jupyter lab, it will open your Jupyter lab, which looks like this. And then from here, you can start typing in commands to print hello. For example, I just printed hello here. And if you want to open another tab, just click on this plus symbol, new launcher, and you open another tab. So in this tab, you can create a new script. For example, let's say I open a new tab like this. I can click text file here to create a new script, and I can type whatever script I want, and then it will execute. But in order to execute this, I have to open another tab. So I click this again, and I click terminal. And then here I will type the command to execute the script that I've just created here, like this. So if I type this, it will say this is a script coming from the script. So you can either work from the script in a command line, or you can use the notebook. So there's a lot of flexibility there. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.